Well, in this video, we're going to demonstrate working with OSDU by the MCP server. I'm here currently in just Claude desktop app. The reason I'm here is the MCP server is demonstrating things that are tools, resources, and prompts. And this is a UI that supports all of them at the moment, although many different other client interfaces are starting to support this as well. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go and there's a run a report here on sort of seeing what this MCP server can do. So I'm just running the prompt, which is list MCP assets, I think. And what this does is it just sort of telling the system, hey, these are the things that I can do. Can you tell me different services and API calls that I can make? So we'll just sort of ask it what kinds of things it can do. So it can do sort of health checks. It can work with the partition service, uh, uh, um, integration into the entitlement service, legal service, schema, search, storage, um, and then it has some prompts and things like that. So what we're going to demonstrate here, we're going to open up a new chat. We're going to demonstrate, I want to do a health check for the storage records. So what we'll do is we'll say, again, we're going to run the record lifecycle health check. Okay, so what we're basically telling the system to do is I want you to run a record health check. If I were just to run it, it would stop and ask me, do you want to create a legal tag? What do you want to do here? What schema do you want to use? We're just going to be saying, hey, sort of accept the defaults, just run through it and create me a comprehensive HTML report when done. So we'll send that off and then wait a few minutes, and when this is done, we'll come back. All right, so it's moving on to creating a quick report for us. So here we could sort of see what it's done is it went through, make sure that all the OTU services are up and running. We went, looked at legal tags, decided on the best legal tag to use for this test. Um, we came in, looked at our entitlements to make sure we could do the activities. It went and selected a schema so that we can create a record. And then here it's creating the record. It retrieved the record and listed the record versions to make sure that record creation was okay. It came along and said, I want to search by ID, search query, to see if we can go return the record that we created. And then here it's going into the delete process, and then it tried to go get the record to make sure it was deleted, and then it's moving into the health report. So all of that stuff just done in the automatically by calling the different integration points on the MCP server to our OSDU environment. So we'll wait for the report to finish and look at it. All right, reports created. It's always interesting to see what it does. All I said was just create me a nice HTML report. Huh. And so here you can sort of see, okay, the environment, everything looked good on the environment. This is the backend server we're doing, the partition. All services were up and running. Here, the legal tag that is selected to use was public USA dataset with an expiration date. And we're doing a processing parameter type, schema validation. Searching and indexing happened. And so here's sort of our execution timeline. The storage record information, here's the version. It was created, the size of it. This is the legal tag information. And so here's just sort of looking at the services. It looks like it built up a matrix, said, hey, all the services that I know about are all healthy, give a little performance metric kind of thing, and said everything is good to go. So just a demo on basic simple things that you can do with OSD MCP server. Hopefully this demo was enjoyable to watch and helpful.